have no idea what I'm doing. I have flown this once, and then I went and got my microphone. So, hey. Okay. Okay, say hello to the bench. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. I put that one, and I put that one, and I put that one. Woohoo! Whoop. That's my hand. Ow, that's my head. Ah! No! Abort, abort, abort! Oops. Okay, let's try this again. Let's not crash into the roof of the thing. Okay. Alright, let me go up. Lower power. Okay, forward! Up, forward! Okay, and that way, that way. Go round and round and round. We go that way, and then we go that way, and between the hedges, and we don't go over the fish pond. We don't go over the fish pond. Ah, not that fish pond, not that fish pond. Oh my god.